a rare honeybee. When I first moved here, I would have at least 100 in my yard every day working on my white clover that I leave. I think I saw 2 today, which is the first I've seen any this year. So it's definitely out of somebody's hive here. Well, it's good to see. I keep clover in my yard to bring my pollinators in for my vegetables and certainly my flowers. But mainly I have bumblebees working hard, like this guy. They're the workhorses. You gotta have pollinators if you got flowers and gardens, folks. Can't sterilize your yard. Gotta have white clover is the ideal to bring them in. Anyways, Scott Chet with Western Maryland Master Gardener. Have a great day, my friends, and enjoy gardening.